Hello everyone. So previous time we start our chapter number second of geography, latitudes and longitudes. We will continue this chapter in this lecture. Okay. So next topic is latitudes and heat zones. So latitudes divide the earth into different heat zones. Different heat zones. So in the previous time we discussed about different latitudes, important latitudes. It is 0 degree latitude, what we call, every equator. Okay. Second is in a northern hemisphere on 23 1 over 2 degree north, and next is 66 degree 1 over 2 degree north and 90 degree. Okay, here is 90 degree on 23 1 over 2 degree south, what we say, Tropic of Capricorn, and next 66 1 over 2 degree south, what we say, Antarctic Circle. Here is South Pole 90 degree. Okay, so it is 0 degree Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. So between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, which zone is located? Torrid zone. Torrid zone. Torrid zone. Torrid zone, the word torrid means hot. This zone lies roughly between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This zone is the hottest zone of the Earth as it receives relatively direct rays of the sun throughout the year. It is also known as the tropical zone. So it is also known as a tropical zone. With the help of globe, you can also see here is equator. Okay, means between these lines, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, this zone receive vertical sun rays. That's why it receive more heat than other zone. That's why it is a hot zone. Next zone is temperate zone. Temperate zone between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Cancer to Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Which zone is located? Which zone? Temperate zone. Temperate zone. Okay. Temperate means moderate between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the north and Tropic of Capricorn to the Antarctic Circle in the south are two zones of moderate temperature. That's why it's called temperate zones. The sun never shines on these areas vertically. In fact, the angle of the sun rays keeps decreasing as more moves from the tropic of the poles. Since the rays of the sun are always slanted, these areas receive much less heat than the torrid zone. So as we know, यहाँ पे क्या है, आपका डायरेक्ट सन रेज आ रही हैं, बट जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाएंगे तो क्या होगा, जो सन रेज हैं बेसिकली आपकी क्या होंगी, स्लांटिंग हो जाएंगी, तिरछी हो जाएंगी। दैट्स वाई इट रिसीव लेस हीट देन कंपेयर टू टॉरिड जोन्स। So basically our India comes in two zones. First one, southern India comes in torrid zone. We also know tropical zone and temperate zone. Another part is comes in temperate zone. Understand? So next zone is third number, freeze zone. Okay. So beyond the Arctic Circle in the north and the Antarctic Circle in the south, the sun never rises much above the horizon. So there two zones get the least amount of heat. They are the coldest region of the earth. These two zones are called the freeze zones. Means Arctic Circle to North Pole, and Antarctic Circle to South Pole. It's called freeze zone due to the slanting sun rays. It receives very less heat from sun. That's why it is always in freeze zone. So next topic is meridians or longitudes. The equator is the reference line for the locating place in the north and south direction. We need another reference for locating place in the east and west direction. For this, we use a longitudes. Okay, this is line that divide the earth into two equal halves and parts. So from it's called eastern hemisphere and this called western hemisphere. We use this line for locating place in eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Longitudes are the imaginary lines running vertically from North Pole to South Pole. These are also known as meridians or lines of longitudes. Basically, a longitude runs from North Pole to South Pole. The central longitude is known as a prime meridian, which divides the earth into two vertical halves. The eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere, as we discussed, it runs through a place called Greenwich in England, and is also called the Greenwich line. So basically 0-degree meridian runs through the place of Greenwich near the England. You can see here from England, so that's why it's called Greenwich meridian. The distance of the place east or west of the prime meridian is measured as an angle. So it is measured as an angle. So we write here, suppose that just like 90 degree means we write in angle. This angle is a longitude of that place. The longitude of a place is the distance of that place east or west of the prime meridian measured as an angle whose vertex is at the center of the earth. The longitude of the place is Ly, expressed in degrees. So like we write here a 90 degree. So that's why we write in degrees. The prime meridian as the starting meridian is marked as a 0-degree meridian. So there are 180 मेरिडियंस टूवर्ड द ईस्ट। सो इधर की तरफ भी आपके 180 डिग्री ईस्ट होंगे, मेरिडियंस होंगे या लॉन्गिट्यूड्स होंगे, और इधर भी 180 longitudes हो गई. If we plus both the longitudes 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. As we know that Earth have 360 degree angle. These are written as 0 degree to 180 degree east and 0 degree to 180 degree west respectively. However, the meridian of 180 degree east and 180 degree west is the same line. Thus, the total number of the meridians on the globe is 360. So, 180 degree east and 180 degree west is basically a same line. So, you can see here this line, a dark line. It's called 180 degree east and 180 degree west longitudes. It is also known as a international date line. Okay, understand? Next topic is the meridian or the lines of longitudes have a following features. All meridians run from the north pole to south pole as we discussed, and in two opposite meridians when taken together form a complete circle which is a ग्रेट सर्कल. जब इन दोनों लाइनों के एक तरफ मेरिडियन अंदर जा रहे हैं, एक तरफ इसको जा रहे हैं, तो हम दोनों को मिला देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? ग्रेट सर्कल बन जाएगा. द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू मेरिडियंस एट द इक्वेटर इज अबाउट 111 किलोमीटर फॉर 1 डिग्री ऑफ लैटिट्यूड्स. आपकी जब 1 डिग्री कंप्लीट होता है तो उसके अंदर आपके कितने मेरिडियन आते हैं, सॉरी किलोमीटर्स आते हैं? 111 किलोमीटर्स. Okay, so next is the distance between any two meridian degrees has go away from the equator towards the pole. So as we know that when we go from equator to poles, a distance between a meridians is decrease. Okay, east of the prime meridian up to 180 degree east is the eastern hemisphere, whereas west of the prime meridian up to 180 degree west is the western hemisphere. We discuss here the western hemisphere, the eastern hemisphere, 180 degree east or 180 degree west. India is the eastern hemisphere while the USA in the western hemisphere. So we discussed already in the previous lecture. India locating in the which hemisphere? Northeastern. Okay, and USA in the western hemisphere. So next topic is locating a place with the help of longitudes or latitudes. If we take example of this, suppose that we want to found a place of Sangrur. For example, suppose that Sangrur located on the latitude of 30 degree north, and if we talk about longitudes, it is located on 75 degree east. So now we want to found a Sangrur on globe on a map or map. Suppose that it's a globe. There are 4 hemispheres: northeastern, northwest, southwest, and southeast. So we know a Sangrur is located in the northeastern hemisphere, means in this hemisphere. So we draw longitudes. (30, 60, 90 and so on. ठीक है, up to 180 degree east. 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on up to 90 degree north. ठीक है. So now a sun located in 30 degree north means 30 means इस वाले लॉन्गिट्यूड के ऊपर, सॉरी लैटिट्यूड्स के ऊपर. ठीक है. एंड 75 ईस्ट, 75 मीन्स दिस लाइन. सो वेयर आर टू लाइन्स ऑफ the latitude or longitudes intersect, it's mean that it's a place of Sangrur. Like that you can find any region or place with the help of latitude or longitude if you know. Okay, so now longitude and time. So basically the basic difference between the local times of two places can easily be calculated. You know that the earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation or to cover 360 of longitudes. Therefore in 1 hour it will cover 15 of longitudes. So 1 degree of longitude will be covered in 4 minutes. So as we know, our earth rotating from west to east, it takes 24 hours to one complete rotation. For rotating a 1 degree, it's take how much time? Rotating a 1 degree, it takes 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So if we talk for 1 hour, 1 hour कब होगा आपका? जब अर्थ है हमारी 15 डिग्री रोटेट करेगी, जब 15 डिग्री रोटेट करेगी. ओके, जब 15 डिग्री रोटेट कर लिया आपका 1 आवर कंप्लीट हो गया. ओके, so here is prime meridian 0 degree. प्राइम मेरिडियन 0 डिग्री. इट्स मीन जब यहाँ पे आपके 12 बजेंगे, 12 नून होगा, तो एज वी नो ईस्टर्न पार्ट और ईस्टर्न लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर अहेड ऑफ वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. सो जब यहाँ पे आपके 12 बजेंगे तो 1 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड पे आपका टाइम कितना होगा? 1 PM. एंड वेस्टर्न पे कितना होगा? 11 AM. 1 डिग्री पे आपका पता ही लग रहा है आपको, सॉरी 15 डिग्री ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर, 15 डिग्री ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर आपका टाइम कितना होगा? 1 PM. एंड 15 डिग्री वेस्ट हेमिस्फीयर आपका टाइम कितना हो गया? 11 AM. ओके, next is our important topic, local time. The local time at the place is determined on the basis of the apparent movement of the sun. The sun appears to move across the sky from the east to west. In fact, it is the earth which moves from the west to east. When the sun shines exactly at the highest point in the sky, it is a 12 noon. At that place you can carry out a simple experiment to find this time. So for an experiment you can take one stick and fix it in the ground outside your home. So इसको एक स्टिक लेके उसको ऐसे फिक्स कर देनी है घर के बाहर. So as we know that in the morning time or in the evening time a shadow of a stick are longer. So उसकी सुबह और शाम को क्या होगी, जो शेडो होगी वो लॉन्ग होगी. क्योंकि आपकी जो सन है वो ईस्टर्न साइड में होगा और शाम को वेस्टर्न साइड में होगा. बट एट द नून टाइम जो आपकी जो शेडो है बिल्कुल कम होगी। इट्स मीन दैट जो आपका सन है एग्जैक्टली आपके सर के ऊपर हो गया, स्टिक के बिल्कुल ऊपर होगा। आपकी जो शेडो है स्टिक की वो बिल्कुल नहीं होगी। दैट्स मीन उस टाइम कितना टाइम होगा आपका 12 नून। अंडरस्टैंड? सो नेक्स्ट इज स्टैंडर्ड टाइम। The variation in the local time is very great in the countries with the large east-west extent. The difference in local times of Porbandar in the west and Dimapur 93 degree 28 east in the east is about 1 hour 30 minutes in India. So as we know that India is a very vast country. Okay, India is a very vast country. Here is Gujarat, here is Arunachal Pradesh. So basically India located in 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute ईस्ट। सो दैट्स वाई आपकी जो अर्थ है कितना रोटेट कर गई, इसका मीन्स आपका जो टाइम का गैप है वो भी बढ़ गया। सो इट्स मीन दैट यहाँ पे आपकी मॉर्निंग जल्दी होगी और यहाँ पे आपकी मॉर्निंग जो होगी वो लेट होगी। इसी तरह यहाँ पे आपकी रात है वो भी जल्दी होगी और यहाँ पे आपकी जो रात है वो भी लेट होगी। ओके, बट फॉर a standard time we take a longitude 82 degree 30 minute east is standard longitudes or meridian for India, which passes through a place of Mirzapur near Allahabad. This is line. It's basically a standard meridian for India. Here is Allahabad or Mirzapur. It passes through that place. Okay. The time at the prime meridian is called the Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). This is the standard time for UK. Often the standard time in different countries are expressed as the difference in the number of hours on GMT. The Indian standard time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. This means that when it is 1 p.m. in the UK, it is a 6:30 p.m. in India. So now time zones. The world is divided into 24-hour time zones of an hour. Each zone covers 15 degree of the longitude. The standard time in the time zone is based on the meridian passing centrally through the zone. Areas in the time zone follow this standard time. When people travel across time zones, they have to adjust their watches. Some countries have very large longitudinal extent like Russia, Canada, USA, Brazil. These countries have more than one time zones. Okay, like USA 5 time zones, Canada have 6 time zones, Russia have 11 time zones. Russia have 11 time zones. Okay, I hope you understand all the concept of this topic. This chapter. If you have any query related to this chapter, you can ask at my personal window. Okay, take care.